Welcome to this video, a video on ship construction in Kenya, where we'll be focusing on Kenya Shipyards Limited Slipway, a facility that has been constructed in Kenyan coast by this company, Kenya Shipyards Limited, which is a state corporation. In this video, we'll be talking about the facility specification, what it can handle, the services which will be offered in this facility, the benefits which will come out of Kenya being a ship construction hub, and also an outlook of the global market for ship construction, the market, how it looks like as Kenya seeks to join or to be one of the players in the market. So Kenya is now home to the largest shipyard, Slipway, in East and Central Africa. This is after the facility was launched in 17th December and 2021 when it was commissioned by the president. So the company is being operated, or the facility is being operated by the Kenya Shipyard Limited, or KSL. It offers services such as ship construction, repair, refitting, and maintenance. On its location, it is at the Kenya Navy Mtongwe base in Mombasa. The facility is in the new frontier for the country, as the country seeks to become a maritime hub, and also in its as it seeks to tap the potential of blue economy. So Kenya Shipyard Limited Slipway can handle vessels of capacity for more than 4,000 tons, and vessels which are 150 meters long. It will secure and also winch ships out of the water into working area for construction, repair, refitting, and maintenance. So this facility has two shipbuilding hangars. One is 150 meters long and 30 meters high, and the other one, which is the smaller one, has it's 120 meters long, 20 meters high, and 13 meters wide. So in this facility now, big ships which need repair as they pass near the Kenyan coast, they can get these services. Right here in Kenya, and also ships which were being repaired overseas, or which necessitated calling technicians to repair from overseas. Now they can get these services at Kenya Shipyard Limited Slipway, because it has the capacity to handle large vessels. It has the capacity to operate to address operational requirements of Kenya Navy and also ministry, departments, and agencies, and also tap on the available regional market and other blue economy stakeholders, either for construction, repair, refitting, maintenance of the ships, and also provision of other maritime services in East and Central Africa region. So what services will be offered in this facility? They include ship refitting, where the facility will be refitting all types of ships with various upgrades and refurbishments. This involves repair, fixes, mends, upgrades with the aim of increasing performance or capability through use of new equipment utilizing new technology. It will also be offering ship maintenance, where the facility has a dry and docking infrastructure and fabrication equipment that can offer maintenance of different sizes of ships. The facility will start with domestic ship maintenance, where it will be offering the services to the ministry, its departments, and also government agencies which are critical in ensuring smooth operation of maritime vessels in Kenya waters. So this is a service that previously was being sought overseas but now it's available in the country. So out of that, Kenya will save a substantial amount of money. The facility will also be offering ship overhaul through mechanical and electrical installations. Other services include ship repair, pier design, jet design, dry docking design, and construction, among others. This is not the first facility in Kenya. Kenya has had ship construction. If you recall, MV Uhuru 2, a ship that was built at Kisumu port more than 70 years ago, but due to its disuse, poor maintenance, the ship broke down. But now it has been repaired and maintained through the partnership of this company, Kenya Shipyards Limited, and Netherlands shipbuilding company. The other private players, we have the Southern Engineering Co. Limited, SECO, which is a company that specializes in marine and offshore engineering. It's located in Mombasa, Kenya, East African coast. So this company has expertise in shipbuilding projects like barges, fishing boats, tugs, pilot boats, speedboats, dredgers, freighters, ocean surveys and research vessels, ferries, yachts, and among others. The other one is African Marine and General Engineering Company Limited, AMGECO, which is also located in Mombasa, Kenya. So Kenya Shipyard company is not the first ship repair and maintenance company. We have had others, but they are not as big as the Kenya Navy managed or operated Kenya Shipyard company. So what are the benefits that will be derived out of this facility? What is Kenya going to gain out of it, and what are the neighboring countries going to gain out of this facility? The Navy project gives Kenya a competitive advantage in ship building and maritime engineering in East and Central Africa. The new facility is billed as the largest in East Africa and is expected to contribute massively to the growth of the blue economy. So Kenya will get a competitive advantage when you look at the other private players, and also shipyard in this region. There's also going to be employment creation out of this facility, and for the first time Kenya will employ its own certified shipbuilders at KSL. So these are people who have been trained here at Kisumu Maritime Academy, and these people, for the first time, they are going to be employed in this facility, and this is part of the government efforts to create more than 10,000 jobs per year in the maritime sectors. Previously, ship welders have been foreigners, so these are big step that Kenya is making, employing local welders instead of relying on foreigners, and reliance on foreigners comes with an additional cost. So with this facility, employment will be created, and we won't be in need of foreigners to help us in repairing our ships. Also, Kenya and our neighbors have been seeking most of the ships and other mobile maritime assets in Europe and Asia. So now with this facility, they can get these services nearer home, helping in saving on cost. So getting these services from overseas have been costly for Kenya and other neighboring countries. So with this facility, these costs will now be cut, and Kenya alone is expected to save 6.8 billion per year in servicing its marine hardware given that a ship has a life of 10 years, so Kenya will save 68 billion out of this facility. That's a huge amount of money saved out of this project. Apart from providing jobs, a national building strategy has many multiplier impacts, such as offering linkages to supply ecosystem. Mostly small and medium enterprise will be subcontracted to provide materials which will be used in shipyards. So in this, the facility will be helping in entrepreneurship development. There is also technology transfer through partnership with established global vessel makers. That will be another benefit that will be derived out of that technology transfer. Kenya Shipyard company will be partnering with other ship constructors, and out of that there will be some technology transfer which can be used in the future. It will also make Kenya a maritime hub, and also so it's a step forward towards transforming African coast into maritime hubs. As we know, Africa shipping and maritime sector is largely underdeveloped. Research which was done some years back has shown that the sector is currently at 7%, and it's growing. So investing in shipbuilding therefore has the potential to transform Kenya and Africa at large into maritime hub. We also remember that Kenya has inaugurated a Marine Academy in Kisumu, and this will be the source of those who will be employed at this facility. And that Marine Academy in Kisumu is boosting human resource training. So people will be required to work in such kind of facilities, being trained locally. So Kenya will be entering a market which is dominated by various players. So let's look at the outlook of this market that Kenya seeks to venture into. The shipbuilding market is currently valued at 126 billion. This is according to statistics which were released in 2020, last year. But it is anticipated that this market will reach 167 billion US dollars by the year 2026. So this market is expected to enlarge. The market is currently dominated by three countries, that is South Korea, China, and Japan. These are the three major shipbuilding countries with shipbuilding within the industry. The global market share for the Korean shipbuilding industry is now more than 40%. For China is around 25%, and Japanese shipbuilding industry has grown to more than 50%. So cumulatively, these countries control around 80% of the global market share. So other countries share the remaining 20%. So Kenya seeks to be among these countries. The outbreak of COVID-19 has affected ship industry in several countries. There have been negative impacts which have been seen in the global shipping industry, especially in the supply chains. Considering the long-term or the longer timelines involved in the development of ships, the delays are expected to result in extra expenditures for the shipbuilders. So Kenya should also be ready to meet such kind of challenges. There will be a reduction in production rates due to this pandemic, and this is expected to hinder the growth of the market. So Kenya should also be aware of such kind of dynamics, where the market might not. I mean, there might be challenges, but there is a lot of an opportunity for the new Kenya company, and can take opportunity that is created by these challenges, where there have been a lag Kenya can partner with other ship makers to help in alleviating this problem. So despite these challenges, the global shipbuilding market is expected to grow in future due to the following factor. One is seaborne trade is increasing. Most countries are experiencing economic growth, especially out of the pandemic. Countries are coming up. Our economies are rising. There's also a rise in energy consumption. There's also the demand for eco-friendly ships and shipping services, and also the advent of robotics in shipbuilding. Some of the prominent companies in shipbuilding markets include Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. We have the Hyundai Heavy Industries, China State Shipbuilding Corporation. We have Daewoo Shipbuilding Marine Engineering Company, and Kenya seeks to join these and many other players. The East African coast of Africa has only 4 shipyards, which are located in, one is in Egypt, Djibouti, South Africa. Now Kenya joins these countries, and reports says that these shipyards are already fully booked all year round, indicating that there is a huge demand that has been there. So Kenya is coming to tap in this, and through partnership, Kenya will be able to capture some of the business or some of portion of the market share. So thank you for watching this video. We'll be doing another video on as an update for how this facility is performing. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, leave a comment, and also share the video. Welcome for more videos in future.